Hey, knock knock. I'm disassembling my bed. Because I'm getting a new one. It's gonna be way wider than this one. And also this one was falling apart here. This entire part, it was already falling apart. And I got this. It works really well. I did some troubleshooting before I started filming. Just to figure out how to do it. And yeah, it works. So now I can actually do it on camera. Let me just hold on, man. Is that good? That is still, okay, that's better than before at least. I do a little bit of that and then I let the machine do the rest. Oh, wait. No. That was easy. It's already out. This part can just go. Actually, hold on. Let me put it back in. Hey, let me put it back in just so I can remove the bottom piece. Yeah, real quick. Okay. I forgot to do something before doing this. I gotta get rid of this. These two. New bed will come with new ones, so pull it out while I still can. Get in! Oh, why can't it? Doesn't come out. I don't know why. You have room. Just come out. You dickhead. Bull crap. Hold on, man. To make it easier, I'm just gonna take this off. Oh my god, that is so much dust. Oh, I found the remote. And another pillow. Anyways, yeah, I got this part. So, under this ginormous mattress, there's a remote for this light over there. Like over there. And the pillow. And another pillow. Is that clothes on the ground? Jesus Christ, what has this thing been eating? Oh my god, it's heavy. That's why I was struggling to lift it. This thing is like 1 billion tons. Get out of here. I think my grandma will have this or something, I don't know. Oh yeah, why can't I pull this out? Great question. Because the frame, there's another one under this, and it's kind of broken, which is why it doesn't let me like pull it out. The other one I could pull out, but this one I was trying to pull out earlier, no, I can't pull it out. I just it's like a ladder. It'll break immediately when you try to use it. Yeah, that'll hold. That'll be fine. That's not dangerous. So yeah, these are basically useless. They're kind of garbage. Yeah, they're a bit trash. Not gonna lie. Yeah, now I can move. Okay, the Legos are okay, thank God. Get the fuck out, Michael. Michael. That was easy. Oh my god! It's so disgusting! How is there so much dust in here? Holy crap, hold on. Yes. What the hell? This is years upon years of dust. Oh my god. I'm gonna put you here. Wow, that's such a better angle. Okay. Wow, you just got lifted up like nothing. Bonk. The hell? Is that a ball cap? That looks like a ball cap. It don't. Okay. Fill with mold. You don't. Sure hope nothing fell out of here. No way I'm donating something like that caked in mold on the inside. Yeah. Actually, why don't I just open the window? That seems such a better idea. No, that's why, because this blind is broken. Look at that. It's getting much brighter the more I open this. Who would have thought sunlight is a good thing for seeing stuff in dark areas? Stick. There we go. Okay, that is a lot brighter. That looks better. I opened the window now. It's cloudy, but it's still a lot brighter than this light, which the remote is right here. Well, finally. Honestly, I forgot I lost the remote. I just eventually I stopped looking for it because I was like, okay, clearly it's not in my room. It was in my bed. Okay, let me move my nightstand. I hope I don't damage the Ethernet cable down here. Oh no, the bed is on the cable. Okay. Oh wow, that was so light. Is the cable okay? Because I need it for my computer. Okay, it's okay. What the hell? Oh. Yeah, you don't wanna know why there's like a champagne. Yeah, don't ask about that. That's a secret. Where's the gun? Oh, there it is. Sorry, I mean drill. I'm just used to saying gun. Now I gotta do the other side over there. So I can take apart this bed all the way. Spin, man. Okay, that's good. I gotta do it manually at first, and then I can actually do it with the machine. Is it already done? That was quick. Oh, it don't fall out. Drill machine. Hold on. This one is being stubborn. Someone did it too hard. The drill is... This thing is not strong enough. Seriously? Are you kidding me? It doesn't want to budge. Seriously? I don't know. I could just force it out because otherwise it's not going to come out at all. You mean? I am not. I'm a professional. Oh my god. Where did that ball come from? Hey, ball. Just get out of there, man. You're useless. It's just, yeah, the drill is not strong enough. Seriously, it's not, doesn't have power. Not enough power to do it. If I keep trying to do it manually, it's just gonna break it eventually. There you go, see? Being abusive worked. Oh, not the wall. Oh, it hit the corner piece on the wall, you know? So the wall doesn't get damaged. Thank God. No paint job needed. God, you know what? I can just pull this out. Why is there a spider in here? Who said you were welcome to sleep in my bed frame? Does this mean I slept with a spider? I don't know what to do with the bed frame. I can pull you out. You're gone. You're fired. Actually, wait, let me try to. Okay, well, I can't force the socket, like the wall socket, for plugging things in. I can't force it back inside. It doesn't. It's not budging. Plus, I don't want to hit the wall. Okay, this works. Hey. Wow, that worked. Mostly. Ha! Get off! I don't care you need a screwdriver. You're getting off. Me. You require a screwdriver. I don't care. Get off. Come on, I want to be monkey. Come on. Are you? Oh wow, that actually worked for one. Wow, if you bend it enough, it just comes off and it's relatively unscathed. Except for the fact that... Okay, I'm offended. This thing is taller than me. I'm contacting the cops and suing the company. Well, it actually can't... It barely fits under the door. Like this door frame. It's a little tall, so let's hope that doesn't fall. It's weird. I've never seen this side of the room without a bed. You know, it just a little wonky to see it like this. The spider's still here. The wall, is that gum on the wall? That is gum on the wall, and paint chipped paint. Okay, cool. Spider, you can stay if you just don't, you know, bother me, I guess. I'm thankful I'm doing this instead of my mom. Because if my mom was doing this, because she wanted to do it, she would have complained how my room is a mess. But I'm not complaining because it's my room. Damn it. Come on. Yeah, Mikey! You serve zero purpose. You should unalive yourself. Oh. Oh my god, I almost damaged my charging cable. Like the 25 watt Samsung one. Oh my god, that was close. Is it okay? Yes, it is. Let me just... Oh my god, sweat dripping from my forehead. Holy moly. I'm using my foot to pull it out. I am so smart, guys. It's so light. It's weird. Honestly, feels weird how light it is to just move it around. There we go. Get empty. Come on. That worked. Are there any more screws? No. I don't think. This should fall apart technically by itself. A bed. Can I just... No. I don't think it wants to. What is this? Flexa. Oh my... When was this made? 9th month, 2008. What the hell? This thing is almost as old as I am. And it actually held up together quite for a while. It broke. Like a piece of it broke like last year, so. Not bad, but I lived longer than you. Oh well, that worked. Wow. It broke though. Uh-oh. It's fine. Okay, don't be loud. Okay, that was good. Yeah, I can just... Oh no. Wait, you can just replace these like tiny little bits even if they break. That's a good thing. The important part is these big pieces. Because my neighbor wants this for some reason. Don't worry, man. I am forklift certified. Oh no. I broke my second gas pedal. Let me try this gas pedal. Uh-oh. I probably should have focused on this one first. It's not breaking because it's just moving. This one is built better than the rest. I don't know. The hell are these squiggly lines? What the hell was child me doing? I'm smart, guys. Oh wait, no, this is a cross. Okay, cool. We got Jesus, or the first letter of my name. Yeah, I got Jesus. I got Jesus. Pew. Okay, let me just put Jesus, this cross here. There we go. Jesus shall rest there and it will be fine. Oh wait, I gotta take care of the other side. Come here, drill. You mean? Seriously, you're still attached? Oh my god, this thing is tall. Oh wait, it's not even holding on. Let me just... Ah, the drill! Not the drill. There we go. That's one. There we go. That's two. Hey, Jesus! Relax. Hey, don't touch my light. That's rude, okay? Don't touch my light. Okay, this is another cross. It's a lot bigger this time. I got two crosses. One is bigger than the other. This one is Jesus. That one is not. That one is the first letter of my name. And this one is the Jesus cross. Ah. Oh my god, it's even taller than the other one because it's got this. Because it's a cross this time. It's like a giant hammer. It's a cross, it's a hammer. No! It's the first letter of my name. I hope my Ethernet cable's okay. Get off my cable! Oh wait, it was on. It wasn't on it. We got A very clean room. Trust me, guys, I'm a professional. Yeah. Yeah, man. My computer, it gets bright. It's bright at night, so I just covered it up. Across. Thumbnails. Haha. Oh my god, I'm soaked in sweat. Ooh. This is the ladder I was talking about. If I try to climb this, it'll break. And these are actually completely fine, except for those. Those are a piece of crap. These are pretty good. These I will not try to break. Okay, come on, my friend. We go on adventure. Actually, no. This one first, because it's in my way. I'll just... Oh my god, this room is so big. What if I just slept on the couch from now on? Like, look at all this room. I could have, like, a server there. Or there, I don't know. I've been thinking about getting, like, sort of server, with a bunch of storage space. I've been filming more and more videos recently. Yes, I upload daily, but, like, I upload them years in advance. Well, probably not years, but definitely weeks in advance. Sometimes I miss upload schedules because I'm... No, a tiny piece. And because I'm so sleepy from filming videos, I just fall asleep on the couch. Then I forget to upload the video. You know? So I don't know, maybe a NAS server could come in handy. Who knows? A giant piece of wood. It cannot fit through the door unless it kneels a bit. I already took care of those. Look at my shirt. I got a very cool shirt. Oh yeah, this and that. Come on, Jesus. Come on, Jesus. Come on, Jesus. I was lucky earlier. I almost fell down the stairs. Come on, Jesus. Come on, Jesus. Oh God. Come on, Jesus. We have to go. I'm sorry, Jesus, but it's time. Actually, I might use my phone. Haha, look at me. This is like a mirror that's filming. Oh my god. Ooh. Ooh. It's actually that long. Holy crap. Let me turn it around. Yeah. Michael. I'm sorry, I just gotta take pictures of this. It's so funny. Also, new camera rings for my phone. Like a cover for the camera rings. Because I know I'm gonna drop my phone. Like, eventually. And, yeah, safety precaution. Same goes for the screen protector. Ceramic screen protector. Limbo! Just watch me break my spine, huh? There we go. Oh my god. It's too big! What is this? What the hell, man? Oh, that worked. Thank you, Jesus. I don't know what to do with the mattress, because now it's useless. That. Boom. Come on, Jesus, too. Let's go. I got more Jesus. Well, Very cool. Jesus. Oh, is it touching? No. I'm just... Is that... Oh, it's gum! I'm gonna use the gum. That's my advantage. Because it's actually sticky. Okay, I didn't say it's stuck well. But it's definitely gonna help a little while carrying it. Ah, seriously? Seriously? Oh, there goes the gum. Yeah, the gum kind of gave up last second. Luckily, it held together for long enough so I could bring it down here. There's even more. Every time I walk, like I'm in the middle of that room, my phone just stutters when I move the camera up. It never happens here. Weird. I had the pillow I lost some time ago. And the pillow I forgot about. Seriously? Come here. Come on. Come on. You're for the streets. Don't fall, please. Come on. You're gonna get a better owner. How about that? Don't. Oh no. Yeah, they kind of fell. Michael. I'm holding you, and I'm holding the wood. And it just looks weird. Smart wood. Finally, guys, they made the second version. Wood too. But it's smart. Whoa. Oh wow, it didn't stop filming. Thank God. Seriously? Michael. Ooh. Yeah, it stuttered again. I don't know what the hell that... What? Okay. Actually made a lot of progress so far. There's just these little 80 bits. And then vacuum. Okay. Oh, this looks cool. Okay. Have you the heart and you're too late? Oh, it smells like rain from earlier, despite the fact that it's already sunny as hell again. Ooh, beautiful day. Earlier it rained like crazy, now it's beautiful again. But hot as hell, just look at me. Actually, I know what I could do. What is this? What is this? Oh, it's tripod mount. At least it's in. Like the small pieces, I'm just gonna shove it in there. So it's easier to take care of later. I don't need this. What the hell did I use? Okay, carrying time. Mara. Oh boy, smooching time. Oh my god. These do not want to stay together, I can tell you that much. Look. So, apply pressure and hope for the best. Or not, just do that. Okay, that works. Looks goofy. Sweat in my nose. Ah. Ej, Majki! Nasze po prostu co ci trzeba.
No ja super. Masz popredane, a popredane.
Nasze. I can't wait for the wider bed to arrive. It's gonna be like the same bed as my brothers have, but better. Why is it better? Well, it's gonna be newer. Plus, it's gonna have a better design for the mattress, which is supposedly better for my back. Why is there dust here now? Because of this junk. Oh my god, that just bends so easily. Whee! Wow, how? Where did they come from? Monkey moment. What is this now? Oh my god, I can't even crouch. What is this? Looks like garbage. How did I miss? How did I miss? Oh, what is this? Oh, that's just a nerf. A broken nerf. Bullet? No. Get this off of my ground. God damn it. Garbage. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. Jesus. Okay. Almost hit my foot. Thank God we got faster Wi-Fi than we used to back in 2020. Otherwise this video would have taken like 5 hours to upload. And it's 1080p. Normal 1080p. No high bit rate turned on. No HDR10 plus video. Actually, you know what? I could turn on high bitrate video, but that's only if I. Oh my god, that's only if I buy more. More the storage. Right now I got USBs and a 6 TB hard drive, but. Oh, I'm gonna probably take a shower. Seriously, it's still stuttered. What the hell? Oh my. Ugh, it just feels weird. Actually, I can take up the big pieces, put it in there. Yuck. Just get out. Get out. Ugh. This is disgusting. Oh my god, even the wall's falling apart. Why is there just a hole? Hey, what is that? What are you? What is this? I don't know what it is, but I'm putting it in there. What? That goes in the basement. This is coming with me. Whoa, don't fall apart. Where am I even supposed to put this? Where am I even? We don't need this. Yeah, we don't. No one has a bed that's compatible with this anymore. Little bitch. That wasn't pleasant. I was thinking like that. That's more legit. I'm gonna put it outside. I don't know. This takes way too much space inside the house. So, wait, it'll be easier if I use my right arm. Hold on. There we go. I'm just gonna put it here. Oh my god. Stop getting that dust away from me. Well, oh, there's a shark. There's a shark. Let's go. Well, gotta get rid of this. Vacuum all this. Literally, that's dust. Jesus Christ. And I stepped in that. God damn it. Cool. Maybe I'll install something here. Some sort of blanket or thingy. To